How to set up a Shopify dropshipping store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually set up a Shopify dropshipping store. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, selling on Shopify versus selling on dropshipping with Shopify is actually a little bit different process. So if you want to start selling on Shopify with dropshipping, I will make sure to drop a link below. You can just go to this official link of shopify.com/dropshipping and then you'll land on this page that says get started with the dropshipping business. Open the business without the hassle of managing inventory, package or shipping. Here you have some of the instructions on how does dropshipping actually work, because your customer places an order, your store automatically sends the order to your dropshipping supplier, and your dropshipping supplier prepares your customer's orders, and your dropshipping supplier ships the order directly to your customer. All you need to do is just list the products and then actually provide the products to the dropshippers, and the supplier is going to automatically deliver the products to your customers. That's how it actually works, because dropshipping is basically just a medium for Shopify sellers. So to get started, all you need to do is just click on the start free trial. If you don't have an account, if you already do have, then you can just click on the login button. Basically just click on the start free trial option. It'll take you to this page where it'll ask you to simply enter your shop details. Go ahead and simply select them and select whether it's an online store, existing website or blog, and then just click on the next option. What do you plan to sell first? You can just select the option, then click on next again, and here you can also simply enter your store name. So just go ahead and then actually enter your store name over here. Once you enter your store name, all you need to do is just click on the next option. Once you click on next, it'll ask you where your business is located. Select the option and then click the next button, and then as you do that, it will ask you for a few other details to create a Shopify ID using your email address, your Apple, your Facebook or your Google ID. Selecting either of these options, just select them over here, select the account that you'd like to link with, and then once done, your Shopify store will be successfully set, as you can see, just like this. This is how you can set up Shopify shop with dropshipping. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.